In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open multiple tabs in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to work with several pages at once, making it much easier to switch between projects, notes, and databases. If you're using Notion in a web browser, simply open the page you want, then right-click any Notion page link and select Open Link in New tab. You can also hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking the link to open it in a new browser tab. If you're using the Notion desktop app, you can use the same method. Right-click a page link and choose Open in New tab, or hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking the page link to open it in another tab inside the app. Once you have multiple tabs open, you can quickly switch between them without losing your place. This is especially useful when you're editing one page while referencing another, comparing databases, or working on multiple projects at the same time. If you want even more workspace, you can also open another Notion window from your browser or desktop app and place the windows side by side. That's how to open multiple tabs in Notion. Thanks for watching.